Hello, welcome to the video. We are going to be coming up with a creative solution for my necklaces because as of right now they are currently all tangled on my nightstand and that's not working for me anymore. Neither is my hair. Ignore it. We're not going to talk about it. We're going to just move on with our lives. Here's my hanger. I already put things on it. Sorry, I filmed this out of order. Deal with it. We're going to paint it and then maybe bedazzle. That's the way things are going. Let's do it. I don't know.
Oh yeah, intro song, intro, yeah. All right, we're going in and I am just tearing this hanger apart. I tore off that middle piece thingy. My cat got in the way and then I attempted to take this nail off and then I got really frustrated, as you can see by my face, because it wasn't coming off and I was about a third across the room. Eventually, I gave up and just hammered it into the hanger and left it. And so then I started screwing these in and then I started getting frustrated with that too. So then I had to have my fiance help me and he couldn't get it. And then I got the pliers and then we were able to get it to work and yeah. And oh, here we go. We're painting. This was another challenge. I painted the first layer and it looked really, really bad. The paint did not stick. I had to do like multiple layers of paint on this, but it was fine, I guess. I was really wanting to go like cutesy girly Barbie sparkly pretty vibes because nothing else matches that aesthetic in my house or in my life, and I felt like I needed that in my life. So here I am bedazzling and I got about a quarter of the way through with the big sparkles, realized I didn't have enough big sparkles, ran out of the big sparkles and had to use the little sparkles. So half of it, like actually not even half, like a quarter of it has big sparkers, quarter of it has big sparkles and the rest of it has little sparkles, as you can kind of see. The original idea was for me to do the front and the back, but obviously I didn't have enough and I was not about to buy more on Amazon that night and I just wanted to be done with the project. And then my legs started falling asleep, that's why I was sticking it out. But I powered through because God gives his toughest battles to his strongest soldiers. So, oh, and here's me getting ready to film a intro, even though I already filmed one. So please enjoy this clip of me filming an intro again. Wow, wasn't that so good? Thank you. I know. I worked really hard on it. I'm just really dedicated to my craft. That's why I had to film 2 intros. Speaking of being dedicated to my craft, I tried to make an earring book thing to hold all my earrings with this felt and this sparkly fabric. But then when I tried to sew it with the sparkly fabric, it just like did not work. And I think I had to hand sew it, and I was not about to do that. It was too much for my little brain to handle. And in this case, God, this battle was too hard for your strongest soldier. So maybe an easier one next time, please, and thank you.
Yeah, so this fabric didn't really work. My machine does not like it, and I think if I'm gonna use it, it needs to be hand sewn. I don't want to hand sew. I hate hand sewing. So I'm gonna use some of this scrap red fabric from a project that I did a little while back. Check out that video. I'll have it linked somewhere. Anyways, I'm gonna cut up this red shirt thing and use this instead.
All right, here we go. Second attempt. Just cutting out squares to kind of match it, and then I was gonna sew in, attach it all, which I did. I was successful in that, so we're at least getting somewhere. But then I wanted to like fold over the red onto the felt so it looked nice and clean. And then when I tried to do that, it did not work like how I wanted it to, and it just I don't know. I was probably just too tired and didn't want to deal with it. So I ended up just cutting off the front and the back cover of the red, and I just used the red to hold all of the felt together in the middle. And you know what? It worked. It got the job done, and at the end of the day, that's all that matters.
Okay, so we've got our little book. But I have these little things that I'm gonna iron on. I've got that one. This one has an L
for love,
and a couple of flowers. So I think it'd be cute to put these on here. I've had these literally like forever.
Okay, back with another voiceover. I put them down and I just iron them on with my little baby iron. She's the cutest little thing to ever exist. If you don't have a mini crafting iron, I don't know what you're doing, but go and get yourself a mini crafting iron because she's the best and she's adorable. Like, look at that. Look at how cute she is. Didn't have to pull out some big old thing. So yeah, I'm ironing. Oh, and then I spilled glitter everywhere from the first shirt, so I'm vacuuming.
This is what we have. She's cute. We got the little flower and the angel, another flower, and an L.
You thought we were done? Psych. So did I. Nope, we're filling up our book with all of the earrings. And in this process, I realized I had too many earrings, like an astronomical amount. Did I use that word right? I don't even know. Doesn't matter. I had way too many for one person. Also, peep the little baby earrings. They're super cute. My sister made them. Thanks, Kimmy. Love you, girl.
Okay, we did it. It's all done. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.
La 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 outro song. La 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 la.